Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Marjana's Kitchen, where today we'll be showing you how to make a very berry cheesecake tart. Ingredients you will need: 200 grams of cream cheese at room temperature, 150 ml of sour cream, 1 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of plain flour, 2 eggs plus 1 egg yolk, 70 grams of butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and 100 grams of oatmeal biscuits. Step 1. Crush the biscuits. Use a rolling pin and a plastic bag. Then empty the broken biscuits into a bowl and add the butter. Brush a little butter or oil at the base of the tart pan and then add the biscuit mixture. Spread it out evenly. Let's move on to the creamy cheese filling now. Add the cream cheese into a bowl, add the sugar, and blend it till it forms a nice pale creamy texture. Now add the eggs. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Add the flour. This is a great binding agent, holds the cake together. Add the sour cream. Mix till the eggs have all blended in. Don't overblend this process, otherwise your cake will be too dense and too dry, and might even crack. Now pour the batter over the biscuit base and spread it out evenly and very smooth. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes at 180 degrees, depending on your oven, if it's a fan or gas. After 25 minutes, the cake is fully baked. I'm going to let the cheesecake cool down in the oven for 30 minutes before I take it out fully. Now you can start to decorate with fresh organic berries or any fruits of your choice. Thanks for watching Marjana's Kitchen. Please share and like, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.